Hello and welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Mijia auto foaming hand washer. This one is available on AliExpress for around $20. The thing is that most of the sellers are sending it to you without batteries, which is not such a big problem, but are sending it without a soap. And there are quite only a few sellers that are able to send it with soap and batteries. So yeah, I ordered from one of the such sellers. So we will see whether it arrived in one piece. Oh, it doesn't sound too good. Something is loose inside. Okay, so here you can see a standard Xiaomi box. And let's open it and see whether the soap is inside and whether all the things inside are intact. Okay. So first of all, there's the instruction manual, which of course is in Chinese. We won't be needing that. So part 1. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. Let's see what's here. There's the battery. Okay, so here's the soap. And there are 4 batteries. And that's about it. So everything seems okay and fine. So the batteries were... So let's unpack this guy and try to install it and see how it goes. So first off, there's a warning here in Chinese, which is really nice because we don't speak Chinese. Hopefully we won't mess anything up. So let me just show you what it looks like. There is a button here. It should be like touch button and light. So let's see. Okay, this is removable. So let's see how it is installed. First off, we need to put the batteries in, and I am not entirely sure where they go. So let's try and look at the instruction manual. Yes, the batteries should go somewhere here, but how do you... I can see the icon. See this here? So it should be turned in order to unlock. Yep. And there's a room for 4 batteries here. It wasn't that hard. So let's just see where the positive side goes and where the negative side goes. Yes, there is... you can probably not see it because the zoom is set on different... But there are small icons like which says plus, which is this top of the battery. And then this one says minus. And this one says, plus, I need another pair of glasses. And this one says, sorry. This one was the opposite. It should be plus, and this one should be minus. So I believe that's about it for now. So yes, this goes like this, and oops. Is it okay? Yeah, it's screwed. Okay. So, okay, now we have original liquid, and as several YouTubers posted, you don't have to buy this from Xiaomi. You can just use regular soap, and you should put some water inside, and that's like somewhere between 60% of the water to 40% of a soap, or 70% of the water even, and 30% of the soap. It should be pretty liquid. I just wanted to have the original soap to see how dense is it, and it's not really dense, as you can see here. Okay, so I suppose we need to unscrew this guy here. Yep. And then Yep. Put this. And now let's see the instruction manual. Okay, we placed the batteries. Yes, we removed it, and we should just put this. We should just put this somewhere like this. Wow, nice. Okay, so we don't need instruction manual anymore. I suppose we just need to press the button and it will start flowing soap. Okay, as you can see, the button is lit. Uh-huh. Hey, it works. It really works. So I'll just use this and go wash my hands. And so, considering the fact that I really don't like foam soaps, this one is really cool. And I really like the density of it, and you can feel that it's not like those soaps that they have in public restrooms in McDonald's or where have you. This one is really good quality. You can feel it on your hands, that you can really wash your hands. So we'll see how it goes with regular soap when I'm finished with this bottle. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with another Xiaomi gadget. And if you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe and help this channel grow. Thanks for watching. Bye.